everyone, welcome back to my channel if you are a returning viewer, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hello, it's me, Nessa Eileen, and today I am coming at you with a planner video in my A5 Recollections reading planner. Whew, okay. This week I am planning for the week that is March 8th. Today I'm planning for the week that is March 8th to the 14th, and I'm using this Caress Press. I believe it's a mini kit. Yes, this Caress Press mini kit in Chamomile. Let's see. I just got it in the mail like yesterday. Got my order in the mail yesterday. So I haven't opened this yet. So we have the, what is this, like a functional page, kind of like your tracker page. Okay, tracker page. Here's the full boxes. Wow. Your half box page, some glitter header page, and is there another page? Yes, and then your bottom washi, and oh look, date dots. Yeah, I love it when kits come with date dots because I don't usually, buy those separately. Like if it doesn't have date dots with it, then I usually just write the number in on the date cover. I'm gonna go ahead and put the base down off screen. The base consists of date covers, date dots, headers, full boxes, and my trackers, which I track my dinners, my sleep time, and the time that I wake up every day. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all that stuff down, and then I'll be right back with you. All right, here it is. The base is down. Okay, so I don't know if anybody else had this problem using this kit, this mini kit, or like, I forgot what kind of stickers I got. Like there's glossy and then like premium glossy. There was like 3 options. I'm pretty sure I just got the regular glossy, but the date dots were kind of really hard to pick up. Like they were not cut out all the way, but you know what, that's okay. Okay, so let's go into the day by day. I don't know what I want to use. I might end up using the lavender, or should I use a different colored? Sorry, my cats are eating right now. I just got them some breakfast. March 8th. Let's look. Got my sloppy planner, my mini happy planner, my pre-planner, whatever you want to call it. I got that right here. How many things do we have? So I woke up at, let's write in what I already have down. Alright, so Monday I woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning. For dinner we had Federico's, and I fell asleep roughly around 11:30 p.m. So what else do I have to mark down? Litter box, water plants, laundry, upload TikToks, publish Plan With Me, play The Sims 4, cut my hair, watch Ron Host Club for the first time. This first time I watched it during lunch. So that's 8 things. That's a lot. Okay, the way to go might be to find a heart checklist. Okay, so this kit does not come with a heart checklist, but I'm sure I could find one somewhere. Okay, let's look. What the heck? Sorry, my cat just rammed into the glass doors. There's either a fly inside or a fly outside. That was terrifying. I jumped. That was so scary. And we're doing like a hollow foil thing today. Is this hollow foil? Oh, this is hollow foil. Okay, I haven't been in my foil section in a while. Oh, how beautiful would these look if I put them on top of some of these boxes? I think I might. Okay.
Like what happens when you go digging around for stuff? You find other stuff that you forgot you had.
Inside your mind. What is it doing in here? I don't know what this is. Let's go through with it. Okay, I'm going to... I'll be right back with you. Alright, I figured out what that baggie was, and that was like stuff that I needed to sort through and organize and put away. Okay, so I found these. Check, this is a mess. This is a big old mess. Okay, so we're gonna put down a checklist. We don't fit 6, so we're just gonna have to do 5. I can either make it go like this, or I can let it just hang down. I'll let it just hang down. Okay, and I don't want to use a Sharpie for writing on the planner paper. But can I? No, I don't want to. I don't want to do that. There's not a sticker behind it, so it would not be a good idea. Oh, that is the vibe. Okay, I have to let that dry now. Okay, so that is definitely the vibe, and that is what I want. So we're just gonna go for it and hope that all's well. They're a little inconsistent about how much ink comes out of it. Cut hair. I'll just put watch or on, like, for the first time. Okay, that'll have to be it. Let's go on to Tuesday. What did I write in? Update resume, plan, work, read, and then practice my cello. So that's 5 things. We should be good. Should I stick with the, I don't want to put it down for every single day, so I'm not going to. And I have work labels, and they're probably at the bottom of this pile. Today's song is the Phantom of the Opera theme. Maybe I can use this. It's like a little thing. Update resume. That will be update resume, and then I will put down one of the work labels, and then maybe a flag or something to put down 100 años. Reading 100 años de soledad. Should I put a washi in between those? I feel like I won't have enough room to put down read, so this should probably be for reading. And is there like a skinnier type of thing that we can put down? Okay, I'm gonna cut. We're gonna cut. We're doing this. We'll use this for read. How about that? I think that sounds good to me. Okay, that's for reading. So I got this, read. Okay, so that means one of these things is not gonna stay. Oh, practicing my cello. Okay, well that's fine. That's fine. Can you hear my baby cat crying? I could do an icon. Or a bow. Oh, where did I put those things? Ooh, what are those? Those are some icons, but they're kind of big. Bam. First sticker. You guys witnessed me taking out the first sticker of that sheet today. Okay, put it on this side or put it on this side. And I could always put this down and then put something on top. Ooh, that would look so cute. Okay, but we're not gonna do that. We're not doing that today. I'm gonna put it over here. All right, let's fill it in. Oh, that's kind of cute. Okay, I'm happy. Okay, I still got this sticker on me, so let's put it down here. Oh, I need to also put down a work label too. I can do that. Oh no, they're not the same. They're not like completely, exactly, like 100% the same. All right, let's just write things in. So Wednesday, oh, I need to sneeze. So we have litter box, edit and upload, work. I was supposed to read 100 años, but I didn't this day. I was also supposed to skate, but I didn't this day. So we only have 4 things going on, which is great. Let's see, because that's all we could fit in the last box. So you know what? Hey, I'm okay with it. If we do, can I add a, I'm not finishing my sentences. Okay, so 1, 2, and then maybe I can fit like 3 hearts on a Czech flag right here. Like maybe this one. Let's see. No. Wait, okay, no, I only need 2. So I could add 2. It doesn't really match, to be honest. Wait, hold on. What did I mess up? Litter box, edit, upload, work. Like I said, we can think quick on our feet. So, got a little baby cat visiting me. Mocha. Mocha. Oh my god, like, I don't know why she looked at me like that. I like started talking and she like snapped her head at me. I was like, dang girl, calm down. My cat wants to be in this video too. I think I'm gonna use this one. These are like quarter size. Don't know why that broke. Yeah, and it fits like almost exactly in that spot. So I'll put it there. I'll kind of like balance it evenly in that space. Oh, that is so lovely. Okay, let's write it down. Edit and upload onto the microphone. Oh, wait, these are gold. Okay, you know what? I don't need those. I don't need those. Those are fine. It's fine. It's fine. We don't need that. We don't need that right now. Litter box. All right, here we are at the end of the spread. I did do Thursday and Friday off screen. Today is Friday, like afternoon. I don't know what time it is. Let's check. It's 3:50. Sorry if you can hear water running through my pipes inside my apartment. My husband is currently taking a shower. But yeah, so I went ahead and filled out everything for Thursday and stuff that kind of has already been done Friday, and then also, let's see, stuff that needs to be done. So I'll go ahead and go through it real quickly. Thursday, woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning, went to work, I played The Sims 4, and I also read 100 años de soledad during my lunch break. And then for dinner we had Burger King, and we fell asleep at around 11:30. My husband probably fell asleep earlier than that. He probably fell asleep at like 9:30. I just like to chill. You know what I did actually last night in my, I drew. I drew on my phone, on my little like art drawing app that I have on my phone. So that's what I did for like an hour, and then I watched like 2 episodes of Sailor Moon Crystal, and then I fell asleep. So yeah, I fell asleep at roughly around 11:30 p.m. Like I said, today is Friday. This morning I woke up at 6:30. Dinner hasn't happened yet. Sleep obviously hasn't happened yet. But Filming, check, I already did that, and I did publish a plan with me at around like 1:30 today, so got that all done. And then of course Saturday and Sunday are blank, and I will fill them out when they happen or after those 2 days happen, because yeah, I don't know what's happening yet, and I just like to be, I like everything that goes into my planner spreads to be accurate, basically. I also did go ahead and put on these overlays off screen. I think they add such a beautiful sparkle to it. Oh, this turned it into like a low-key celestial vibes, and I am all for it, and I dig it, and I love it. And then I found, of course, you know, I found my foil overlays, my hollow foil overlays. I was like, oh, I have to put these, I have to use these, I have to utilize these beautiful hollow overlays in my spread. Oh gosh, look at that. And then we have these little corners from Scribble Prints Co. And here on this page, I just put corners on this fashion girl right here. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have gotten to this point, thank you so much. If you like it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to comment, and feel free to subscribe if you find yourself coming to this channel often. And I will speak to you in the next video. Bye!